What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This beast is in here. I need to get a vehicle on the road to drive instead of my, I don't go a whole lot of places, so I need a vehicle of my own to drive. So we're gonna get the exhaust on this thing. That's about all it needs. It just needs an exhaust. And then hopefully it'll pass inspection and everything works great. And I can do smoky burnouts. So I'm gonna get on that right now. All right, guys. Pause that so I don't get copyrighted. So exhaust isn't gonna get done today. I needed some bends for the Y pipe because when I bought the headers, I bought them used off of a guy around here, and he gave me a Y pipe with it, but he also cut it off, and so now I got to rebuild it. But its headers are stainless, the Y pipe's stainless, so the only exhaust piping I had was aluminized 3-inch pipe, and I just didn't want to try to splice everything into that, welding stainless to regular aluminized exhaust pipe. Doesn't work out well. So I just ordered a full stainless universal kit, so that'll be here on Wednesday. But I still have all this interior to put back in, so I gotta clean it all up. I keep getting water in here. I don't know if the seals are bad or if they're just dirty and not sealing right. It's hard to say. I did find, from the truck being parked out here, I kind of live in the woods, but a branch must have came down and took out the third brake light. So now I got to order one of them. So yeah, a lot of work just to get a daily driver, but I need it, so gonna get all of that cleaned up. Yeah, here we go. All right, so not sure where the last video left off, but I got all the exhaust to do the Silverado, and then through further research, I'm not 100% sure if it'll pass emissions without going and buying a tuner and everything and getting rid of some of the monitors in the computer for the O2 sensors and stuff. So in light of the situation, I'm just trying to get this thing on the road to get some drive time in on it. I am begrudgingly, word of the day, maybe, going to put the stock exhaust back on it. So it's not going to be a terrible thing to have to do. The worst thing is pulling the steering shaft off on this side. Oh, it's kind of dark down there. But to get the header off, I got to pull the steering shaft back out of it. And I'm just going to pull the wheel wells back out of it to get easier access to the bolts. So not a huge downfall. Kind of sucks though. If I lived like 5 miles away, I wouldn't have to do emissions testing in a different county, but whatever. So now I have a 3-inch stainless exhaust for something that comes along, potentially the S10 if I put a V8 in it. Still don't know what I'm doing with that yet. I'm kind of leaning towards making a little, not pro street truck, but a little street truck, cheap budget V8 swap, just to buzz around town in, have some fun with it. Like I really don't want to spend a whole lot of money on it, because yeah, the Suburban is a little more important. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm not going to really film a whole lot of this Silverado because, let's face it, putting stock exhaust back on isn't real exciting. Yeah, enough rambling on. Stay tuned and see what happens. Thanks for watching.